How to turn off the save video option on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Simply log into your account and then click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines on top right, you will find Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Click on Settings and Privacy. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Privacy. Scroll down and then click on Downloads. After you click on Download, simply turn off video downloads from here. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off the save video option on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.